Welcome to Andy's How I Did It channel. Today we're going to talk about Delta's invitation-only 360 Club, which is their highest unpublished tier. I'm going to tell you all the perks that you get while being in the club, some of the swag that they sent me, and I'm going to tell you one of the steps that I took to make the club, so stick around. So we're gonna start here with some of the swag they sent me, starting out with this monogrammed Delta 360 Hartman Metropolitan Slimline backpack. This backpack, I think, carries a 17-inch laptop and retails on the Hartman site for right around $200. And inside of it, there was a Delta 360 box. This box was put together by Birdie Box in Miami and was actually shipped up from Miami and came pretty quickly. When you open the box, you actually get to see a custom Delta 360 card video player. So I went ahead and pulled the video off of the card and I'm gonna show it to you now.
Welcome to Delta 360.
Welcome to Delta 360.
Welcome to Delta 360.
Hi, I'm Ed Bastian, and as Delta's CEO, I want to personally welcome you to our Delta 360 program. You've been invited to join this exclusive club in recognition of your loyalty as one of our absolutely best SkyMiles members. You already experience the difference as a Medallion member every time you travel, but as a 360 member, you'll enjoy even more. We have you covered in every aspect of your travel experience. You'll be at the top of the upgrade list. You'll enjoy an executive membership to every Delta Sky Club location, which allows you to bring your family or 2 guests every time you travel. A dedicated team of our very best customer service specialists will be watching your itinerary and available 24/7 to ensure the best, most reliable experience. And we'll even do our best to pick you up in a Porsche when you have a tight connection. So on behalf of the Delta team, 80,000 strong, thank you for your loyalty, and we're looking forward to giving you the absolutely best experience every time you fly Delta.
Welcome to Delta 360.
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 So I thought that was a nice little touch for them to include that little video player, and it just constantly loops. It has an old mini USB connection on it. I was able to download the video off of it and put it on this video. So the gifts keep coming. If you continue to open the box up, you can actually see in here that there is a QI enabled wireless battery pack, and it's a 10,000 milliamp battery pack. It comes with its own micro USB cable tapped on the end of it. There's a charging port, and it has a digital LCD display that gives you the percentage left. When I turned it on at first, there was 80%, so they had charged it up some. There's the Delta 360 logo that's actually printed on it, so you can not only charge a QI enabled device, but you can also plug in another device. It's a pretty neat little gift. It is kind of heavy, but I'm not complaining. It was a free gift from Delta 360 for flying so much with them last year. And speaking of flying last year, there's varying degrees of thought on what it takes to make the Delta 360 Club. I think a lot of people would say that you need to spend north of $50,000 in Medallion qualification dollars for the year, as well as probably over 200,000 Medallion qualification miles in the year. I did achieve both of those, but the other aspect of it that's not talked about a lot is I moved out of the Atlanta market, and that's one of their major hub areas. So once you move out of a major hub area like that, one of the things that Delta may be concerned about is losing you to another airline and another hub. So to be honest with you, I think that the Medallion qualification tiers for 360 are actually lower than what you would see in a major hub city like Atlanta, Detroit, Minneapolis, St. Paul, or Salt Lake City. So that's actually one of my secrets to being able to qualify for this. If you need to move out of a major market, make sure that you continue to fly the same airline that you were flying before, and that will give you a greater chance of making one of those invitation-only clubs like American Airlines Concierge Key or United Global Services or even Delta 360. So some of the benefits that you can expect to get while on Delta 360 is a Delta Sky Club executive membership that allows you to take in 2 guests or your family in with you. You get a dedicated phone line with some of the best in-class agents. So you've got folks that are there on standby ready to help you out with your travel if you have any kind of travel issues. You get Porsche gate-to-gate transfers. I've only had that happen a couple of times, and that was, to be honest, well before I made Delta 360. It was while I was Diamond. I had it happen in LA once, and I had it happen in Salt Lake City. I've had some pretty tight connections here recently, recently and haven't received the service, it's not guaranteed, but they do try and offer it when they can. You do get your swag package. This year it was the backpack and the video player and the socks. A few years ago, it was some fancy champagne and some Tiffany's flutes. At one point, it was some Glenlivet scotch. I think last year, it happened to be some BSTN Bluetooth headphones and a hat. You also are told that you are put highest on the upgrade priority for Delta flights. I've seen myself at the top of the list, but that doesn't always mean that you'll get upgrades. I mean, the flights have been increasingly more and more full, and so upgrades don't always seem to happen. So what do you guys think about the Delta 360 Club and the perks? Let me know in the comments below if you guys think that flying this much was totally worth it, or if moving away from your hub city is a great way to make one of the elite tiers for the airline. If you like this content, please click the like button down below and subscribe. Click the little bell if you want to get notified when I post new content. Thanks for watching.